The weird world of colonic irrigation hydrotherapy. What is colonic irrigation hydrotherapy? What does colonic hydrotherapy do? How painful is colonic irrigation? How many pounds do you lose after a colonic? How long will I poop after a colonic? Hailey Pierce's destiny. Diane. Oh, that Hailey Pierce puts weight loss quick fixes to the test as she explores the rise and impact of the cult of skinny. This obsession and the extreme lengths to which some people will go to reach a certain size. Najran official slimming treatment is claimed that colonic hydrotherapy can help detox banish bloating and create a flatter stomach. But just wondering, if you dorance me, how much weight would I lose? Like how much do you lose? All our fridge people lose about 3 to 4 pounds, but we don't advocate it, if I look at it, how much am I looking again? You'll be watching the tube for about 35 minutes, alright, constantly passing waste and toxins before the treatment starts. A tube needs to be inserted. Well, you know where that's it, just really hanging job. You gosh, okay, we're in, so I'm not gonna be like my bowels ain't gonna be loose after this today. No, I'm gonna empty out as much as I can, and you'll probably find that you don't have a bowel movement for a couple of days after. Lovely, it's just they wore white trousers here today. I didn't think. Obviously you'll be fine, don't worry about that, won't be having no accidents. Look down here in that mirror. That two-player is my window into your world. Okay, well, I could feel the water at my stomach. Yeah, salads pumping up to 60 liters of water through the tube into my colon to flush out old and stagnant wastes. So when I leave here today with a flat stomach, generally a flatter, less bloated stomach is one of the immediate effects that you feel following new treatment. Awesome, well, right, so what was the youngest in is lots of toxins after the colored water. Okay, and then you can see broken down fetal matter. Oh zang, and it's good to know that shit's inside me. Like, oh, that was a big glad she, that was a beast. Now we're getting down to the old stuff. That was a big bro, rather low. So how long could that have been inside me then? In reality, it could have been in there for years. How am I looking then? Is my normal? Yeah, what you've passed today is exactly what I see on a day-to-day basis. And when I'm treating clients, oh stinks, oh well, Sally, this is an experience I'm never gonna forget. Thank you so much, my pleasure. Right, ready, what for what we dare. I'm gonna unplug you, you're gonna go in the toilet. Oh my god. Although this treatment isn't specifically medically advised as a way of losing weight, it certainly has a big impact. I'm actually glad to I've always wanted to tender. My stomach is feeling a little bit flatter. Did manage to block the toilet. V is very important to clean the colon or intestine, but overall we are what we eat. Health is wealth.